Trane XR17 with a variable speed furnace, and we also using a 1050 thermostat with a relay panel and zoning. So in order to use those items with zoning, we had to use this wiring right here. So from your XL1050 thermostat, you're gonna connect only 3 wires to the relay panel. Then from the relay panel, you're only gonna use 2 wires to the zone panel, which is gonna be D and B, which is located right here. D and B, and they're gonna go to the zone relay panel to D and B. Now, from your outdoor unit, you're gonna use only 3 wires, which is common Y1 and Y2. Common is gonna go to the indoor unit. Y1 is gonna go to the relay panel. Y2 is gonna go to relay panel, and then from the indoor unit to the relay panel, you're gonna have R, common, W1 and W2, G and BK. Now you also need to make sure that you guys hooked up the discharge sensor and also the static transducer. That's it. Thank you.